What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today's self-care presenting a new video about pink lips. Pink lips are always attractable. For getting pink lips, both men and women do many things. In this video, I will show you some technique to get pink lips. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, how to get pink lips naturally. Supple, soft and pink lips are something everyone desires. After all, they enhance the beauty of your face. But due to rash weather, wrong food habits and lack of proper care, our lips may lose natural pink hue and turn darker. But you need not worry so much, as Mother Care has plenty of ingredients that can bring the glow and color back to your lips. First one, lemon honey treatment. One of the best treatment for your lips is this lemon honey pack. Put equal amount of honey and lemon juice in a bowl and mix them well. Apply this mixture on your lips and leave it on for an hour. Wash it after that and your lips will feel smoother and look pink. Glycerine. One of the biggest enemies of our lips is dryness that makes them look darker. To treat this, you need to have some glycerine and cotton. Dip the cotton into the glycerine and apply it on your lips before going to sleep. Beetroot. Most of us don't know how wonderful it is for our lips. Take a slice of red beetroot and gently massage it on your lips. It will work effectively and make the tan vanish from your lips. The color of beetroot will also light up your lips. So the next time you sit down to watch your favorite television show, keep a beetroot slice handy. Cucumber juice. Most people are aware of cucumber's magical skin lightening impact, but guess what? It not only works well on your skin but also on your lips. Applying cucumber juice is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get rid of dark lips. Toothbrush exfoliation. One of the simplest ways to make your lips pink is using a toothbrush. Take a moist toothbrush and lightly rub it on your lips in circular motion. Be sure to be gentle, you don't want to hurt your lips. Massaging your lips in this way will take off the dead skin and will also stimulate blood flow to the lips, making them soft and pink. Honey sugar lip scrub. Exfoliate your lips by making a honey and sugar scrub at home. Take some honey and add crystallized sugar to it. Gently massage your lips with some of this mixture. It not only takes off the dead skin but also moisturizes the lips well. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates have some amazing health benefits and its seeds are good for your lips. Just take some pomegranate seeds and crush them. Now add a little cold milk and mix it well to make a paste. Apply this magic paste on your lips and wash it after it is dry. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.